Welcome from Frog Tips again. Today I just would like to show you my headset which I got as present last Christmas, and I can really recommend this for everyone who wants a budget headset for gaming, recording the YouTube comments or whatever. Just buy this. I can recommend everyone, even for the Christmas this year, this Corsair headset. It's really nice. It's a Corsair RAPTOR HS40. This headset is very soft and nice quality. Sound is very nice. It supports 7.1 sound. It's not expensive, guys. Really, it's not expensive. You can even ask your mom, father, or your Santa Claus, please bring me one of these if you don't have one gaming headset. It's really comfortable. You can use them in hours and hours without no problem at all. It's got a pretty nice microphone which is embedded, and I think it's got a pretty nice sound as well. I've used that microphone in a couple of my videos. Just have a look on my tutorial video where I usually use this headset for recording my sound. And because it's got it all included, you even don't need the sound card in your PC, because this is plugged in by USB. Once you plug into USB, Windows will install the driver. The software for this looks very nice. Just have a look on this. You got a couple of more settings. Once you plug in, you can change the settings. You can set up the 7.1 sound. I think it's really good quality for the price you buy it. It's nice headset. Corsair is a really nice brand. Yeah, guys, do you need a Christmas present and it doesn't have one of this headset? Buy this one. I can just recommend. And this is not a pay advert, it's just my recommendation. I've got them all 1 year and still looks like new, and I love them. It's really nice. Volume up and volume down button, even the mute your microphone here, which is light in the blue once you switch on. Especially if you play some horror games, 7.1 sound from this is, I actually like it. It's not a perfect as most expensive one, but for the price it's absolutely good for every single budget gamer. Yeah, guys, I hope you like this, and write me on the comment if you use similar one or you got this one. What do you think about this headset? And if you don't have one and you need one, yeah, just have a look on the description where can you buy it. And yeah, guys, see you on my next video, because Christmas is coming soon. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget click like, subscribe, and smash that bell button just next to the subscribe button. Bye. Don't forget click like and subscribe.